This is the Time reporting on the 2nd of April 2026 for the live stream.
A new tornado.
Okay, we should be... Oh, it's not there. Anyway, we should be ready, we should be here. We should run through today first. We already have we have two tornado warnings, though one is inside it. One is for ping pong size hail. They're actually both, but whatever. The one that we are looking at is for 2 inches of hail, which is quite... There's a lot. Find B will be dangerous. This is a big one. We've seen rotation in this storm prior. Why aren't we going to the one in Des Moines? That just seems way more sense. Now, we have a couple people in this storm. We got storm chasers in this storm right now. There we go. Big live view of the storm. But we're gonna give you live. We're actually gonna show you it. My bad, everyone. Here we go. Oh, I haven't even set it up for today. That, you know what? Elmy. Here we go. Live view.
Sup, nerds?
We'll just turn off the emmers, but we got live view of the storm the tornado warned storm. Wait, I can't put it there. I have to put it here. Have to put it here. We had a tornado watch issued not long ago. It's same probabilities, unless there was another one issued more found down south. No, same one. Then that one was quite a shorter one, or it was just one. And then we got a storm chaser a bit or up north, which hasn't got a lot of rain, and you got here. They're in the thick of it, which everyone knows. Why do I keep doing that every single time? Now the only reason I have to do off storm chasers because we're in an area where there ain't cameras, there ain't has cams in Chicago. Like, what the hell? Like, where is that going to help me in this situation? Where the fuck is Ryan? Oh, I haven't actually put him on, have I? We have now. Was that your watch? We do, but I want to know why. There's a storm up here. That should be tornado warned, they're saying. Okay. We'll keep an eye on it. Let's have a look at today though. We have enhanced risk. With the slight risk everywhere else. 10% hatched. Tornado risk. 5% and 2% around it. Like you would normally see. Oh yeah, that was what I was going to tell you about. So, because I can't use... Yeah, so I'm going to show you what you will hear when you hear a storm now. Severe thunderstorm warning, you hear this sound. And that'll be the same considerable. If you hear the destructive one, you'll hear. If you hear EDS, severe thunderstorm, it's higher pitched every time. Basically. For tornadoes, we have normal. It really shouldn't. It really should be an emergency. And then. No, stop. Do this. Then, in the situation where we do get a PDS, we will hear that noise. Peace off. And then, in the unlikely event that a tornado emergency is issued, getting that one. And a minute, just tornado warnings in the area. Though even I'm not even sure that will last long. So that's what we got to look out for. That's what we got to look out for. We got to look out for it. It's a big thing. We got to look out for it. I have to keep looking. We've been live for 7. We've nearly been live for 7:03. I've only been live for 7 minutes already. Jeez, okay, good. Like, time goes fast. Anyway, let's have a look at our storm chasers. Let me turn off the sound before it even gets to it. Look at me go. That's a new is that? No, it's severe thunderstorm. Do not worry. It is observed. Severe thunderstorm warning. A tornado warning remains in effect for this same area. It's considerable. So as we know, because it's considerable, it only does. It's not exactly urgent, and it's not in that. let's take an easier way, because I can't do a siren. Though I do have one ready. Should we hear it? No, oh crap, that's the wrong one. We've used it before on our channel in the old days, so it's not exactly new. Though I have changed it. That is an issue. I might need to go grab that off a YouTube studio so I don't get copy striked. Because that, hopefully it's one that isn't, because I know I got a few that isn't. I know the song name, so it's not difficult. No, I think we're fine because it's not one that is straight. Okay, we're fine. We can just continue because it's not one of them. Because of the Christmas stream, we had songs that needed to be like in the description of the video. Not today. Okay, if I do get, I'll just keep updated. But I need actual like. There you go. I need to keep an eye on the storm with multiple ideas. Now, 2 tornado warnings. The intensity is, well, we started around looking at 60 and it went in a matter of seconds. It went up about 10. So it was quite quick. How are we looking at the storm in a minute? Well, at least it's actually easier to see. Yeah, that's actually pretty easy to see. We can see the blue. We can clearly see where we think it might be. So it could be right here under Lucio. Is it under Lucio? It is definitely not. Could have a good view here. We really don't know. Because what are you supposed to do in this instance? You can't even see anything. Yeah, I'm hit as a police car. Or some form of emergency services going by. It's gone down a bit, the intensity level. We're going down. When I started it was at a really high and now it's going down. A little bit here. There you go, it's in line now. We can't see a thing. I think that's a new severe thunderstorm warning, or a at least extended one. To be the least. Now, I feel like it won't get a tornado. I don't think this will be PDS because it kind of is going over thing, but I don't know if it's not on the ground yet either. I want to try and dig out my old, because I don't know how many more. Unless I do.
There is a new tornado emergency.
Yeah, I
Take
do
cover
actually,
now.
never mind.
There is a new tornado emergency. Take
what
cover
I'll
now.
do to them.
There is a new tornado emergency. Take
Right,
cover
if I
now.
can get them on,
There is a
hang
new
on.
tornado emergency. Take cover now. There is a new tornado emergency. Take cover now. There emergency. Take cover now.
Nah, they're not gonna
There
work
is
for
a
me,
new
are they?
tornado emergency. Take cover
you're not gonna
now.
work for me,
There
are
is
you?
a new tornado emergency. Take cover now. There is a new tornado
You're not going to
emergency.
work for me today.
Take cover now. There is a new tornado
No.
emergency.
You're
Take
not
cover
going to work
now.
for me today.
There is a new tornado
Perfect.
emergency.
Perfect. Let's have a look. There we go. super speed. We still can't see an absolute thing because it's ooh, I have a feeling he's going to be under it though. But he just is not. Why is he down here? Well, why down here? What's down over here? I don't think there's anything down here. What is... Actually, no, yeah, never mind. There were a couple storms firing up in the area over here. We have a couple storms firing up near Burlington. And we have just a bit north of the tornado warning. Up north. Which is not on the ground yet. Here is rotation though, as well, that's what it means. Here is the rotation velocity. Very clear. You're back after a while. Wow, I didn't actually expect you to be back. It's been like 3 months or more. I did see the message you did on your chat on my channel. Has it actually been that? Yeah, been about 3 months. Springfield. Oh, yeah, I can check Springfield. Hang on. I think that's in the risk tomorrow. If I'm not wrong. Is that in the risk tomorrow? Or is that a different risk? Oh god, I'm not good at this. Well, yeah, it's been like 3 months. I'm gonna have to, I'm gonna have to search it up. I've forgotten. We can check Springfield though. Yeah, I am right in saying that it is in a slight risk tomorrow. Has he got a tornado risk? He's got 5%. Cheeky little 5%. It's just under. It's not today though. Just double checking. Okay, we do have possibly something on a very slight risk on. Damn it, what day is it today? Got it. Where have you been? It's been a month to the day? No, a month to yesterday. For me at least. Because it would have been. Go on. Yeah, go on ahead. Go for the question. As we double check the tornado, I am still not liking this. No, not just tornadoes. And there's that you can check blizzards, tsunamis, wind, hurricane wind, fire, storm surges, tropical storms, freezing rain, gales, which is strong wind, or even shelter-in-place warnings, and really other weird things. It is very interesting. It is the WeatherWise app. Fortunately for me, I can't check where I am because, well... Is it any better? No, I can't see anything. Well, that's a hard time telling... Okay, here we go. Good for you. Yeah, there's quite a lot. Here we go, live view. I don't know if I can use the audio, so I just turn off the audio. We need other people in here. Like, seriously, I had other views on every single one of my videos. But, apart from today and yesterday, absolutely none. What's that? That is severe thunderstorm warning. Keep an eye on that one. There we go, just double checking. Doesn't really look like... Is it gonna drop something? Let's go like all the way out. See if we can see something from quite far out. Though it is heading in the direction of him. So he's being pretty small. Why is someone looking? Okay, not. Ooh. Okay, he's finally out of the rain that that they were in. So yeah, you know we actually watched it on stream. We were watching on stream. We did we watched it on stream. You should have been there. We watched it actually on the live stream yesterday that we did. No one was there apart from the friend that who's my like graphic designer editor, who's actually making something really nice that should be done for Sunday. I have no idea what I'm going to use it for yet, because one problem about it is, other than today and tomorrow, there's nothing for Easter Sunday. Or the next day. Or the next day. Or the next day. Unless I do something else, then there's nothing. Well, I'm getting quite quick at this now. I mean, yeah, it was a very good launch, although an ad came up right in the middle. So when it hit 0, yeah, but I think that's myself. I think one of them's myself keeping an eye on the stream, and then one of them, because it's always one person. Whenever I have to watch it on my shorts, it's always one person. Double checking there isn't anyone watching on the main one. Yeah, YouTube's a little stupid. I feel like they shouldn't count the people like that. They should count it differently. I've also set up in a way where you can, well, it might be a little bit difficult to see here, but there are different types of sounds that it will make when a different type of warning happens. So like, for instance, a normal, considerable severe thunderstorm warning, oh, tornado warning. That I don't exactly have to show you. Wait a minute. No, okay. It was just an urgent, so. Well, there's a view. Well, where's one? My dear. If that's the actual rotation. Dear me, this is the first tornado of the day, possibly on the way. There it is on another camera. We need to get. Why is no chaser looking at the actual storm? Like, where does that help me here? So there is no like. Okay, that's a good. That's probably the best view we'll get. So, I was in the middle of showing you my new system until the tornado warning came out and just did it for me. We'll do 20 seconds for a tornado warning. So, I won't do the sirens unless you want to hear the sirens for the PDS and emergency tornado emergencies. But the thunderstorm ones are. The higher the pitch, the worse. Basically. And then I haven't done. I don't know why. It should be. Yeah, that works for me actually. And I just for some reason decided to keep the Timu severe thunderstorm warnings, which are called special weather statements, completely just off. Have we got. Oh yeah, the tornado watch is absolutely massive. Oh, is that a big? It's a big mesoscale discussion that was just issued. So basically, I've got 3 types of sirens. Depending on which one I want to use at the time, I have 3 sirens. One of them I have to do manually. One of them will, and the other 2 will come up in the WeatherWise app. Depending on which type of situation. You have Siren 2 for PDS and Siren 1, which will probably be followed up with my Siren. Though actually, what's the point? No one else is here. We're doing it. Yeah, that just doesn't seem good. You can't even see anything. And neither can I.
Probably is.
I can't see anything. How are they gonna see if I can't see anything? Well, we'll keep an eye on this one for now. You know, you should have been there for the rocket launch yesterday though. It was hilarious. Ooh, that's a higher pitched. But no tornado warning was issued. What was that necessary? Is my what the hell is going on? Oh, should we have a look at some? Yeah, I don't know if that was necessary. Let's have a look at some checks of snowy weather as a little intermission. Let's have a look at some snowy weather up in Wisconsin area. Jeez, I mean, I wish I could have this. I mean, this just seems like a dream come true for me. This just feels like a dream come true. That's cool. Some of this photography is absolutely sensational. New severe thunderstorm warning was just issued. I saw that one myself. That's a late. You gotta go. Well, if you can come back, definitely come back. But yes, see you later. Yeah, what's any point even looking at him? We can look at this one. It's actually pretty viable. But yep, see ya. Okay, so we gotta keep looking. I can't see anything. It's an issue. Stupid trees. Where is everyone normally? There's gotta be more people. I gotta think about it. My gosh, that's cool. There you go. Live view of rotation. Yep, it's showing. But why isn't it there? You know what? If they arrive, they arrive. It's a good start though. We got a tornado warning, although the weather intensity score is really dropping. We have live views. Two warner, yeah, this is gonna drop. Drops any further. Just keep an eye on the storm. Looks like a score line. Though it kind of is. That is crazy. Look at that. That's stunning. Okay, new tornado warning has been issued. Dubbo wouldn't be scared. It's starting to. Yeah, I just think it's unlucky. I mean, we started it at 16. Oh, it's dropping. I'm a little concerned. They better have not fluked this cap again. I remember the last time they did that. It was absolutely horrible. I went on to Minecraft. Though I am really hoping that my time does not get wasted here. Because I could be playing FIFA. You know, that's actually a good idea for a stream. I could play the new FIFA 16 mod. No. No, actually I'm right, but not in that term. Let's go down to Nick Samego. Where is he? I saw it earlier. He is here. Here we go. Nick Samego. That is him. But we're actually going to go back to Outbreak. But no, that doesn't seem. No, doesn't help me. You're not going to help me either. You're quite far out. He's gone just through Brighton. Good old 6-5 to see. He's heading straight for it. Alright, how's our man doing? Earlier he was getting absolutely bombarded. Now he's not. He is not getting bombarded yet. He is about to go into some though. So I doubt how long that lasts. Oh, a new meadow. So this is actually really down south. So a lot of storms are starting to pop up down south, in between the areas of just outside Memphis, Johnsboro, and up to Mount Vernon. A lot of storms are producing scattered thunderstorms. It could lead to risk to a tornado or two. They might watch. They think if it would be a tornado, it could be between 100 and 130 miles per hour. Need to check on the other stream. But yeah, now we've got two systems to look out for. Very interesting. Let's keep an out for Just keep an eye out for it. We gotta keep an eye on it. I remember there was earlier there was Oh, that was very loud. What's the? It's a tornado watch. Tornado watch has been issued. A new tornado watch. It's the exact same. It's been updated. A few tornadoes with a couple of intense ones. And we've already we don't forget we still have a tornado warning issued. We could get a severe thunderstorm issued just behind it in Otaruma. Keep an eye. Yeah, I wouldn't be surprised by now. You should be getting bombarded by rain. Yep. Told you. Copic's got a good view right here. Yeah, look at that. There it is. You need to keep an eye on that one. Very dangerous. Look at that school line. He's got to come back into view a bit. What I might do is I might come back in a few days to refresh, because I don't know if there's point. I've lost something here. I have no idea. Never mind. Didn't want me to go, did it? Didn't want me to go. Is he still getting bombarded by rain? Of course he is. Is anyone in a good view of the storm? What about? Got more on the way. That doesn't help me. Does not help. So when we come back, I probably will come back for Easter Sunday because I've got stuff to do. What about tomorrow? Wait, tomorrow's supposed to be a decent enough day one, isn't it? Yeah, it's the same areas. Maybe there might be a buff. I heard it is still a pretty relatively strong situation. So there's possible, and it's very big. It's probably around this, probably bigger in width. But I think we'll come back